What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. So today we have a big one for you. We're doing a bunch of things in this house today. We're gonna be here all day doing a bunch of furniture, carpet, and tile. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit about what's up. I know we have some pretty difficult chairs to do, some good stains on those, and a very large couch, so let's check it out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do before we get into both of these big couches is I have two sample pieces, you can see that there, from both couches, and we're gonna do a burn test. Now, we do a burn test to try to figure out what exactly the couches are made out of, whether it is a synthetic or a natural fiber, because it is very important to how we clean it. So that's something we do on all of our furniture before we clean it. A little bit of it on fire, put it out. Now, without even doing much, so I don't know if you guys can see how stringy this is, but little smell test. So this here is a blend. So this is both natural and synthetic, probably has a little bit of a cotton blend in it. So that is the one. So both of them are both kind of a blend. We should be okay to use a light cleaner on it, so we're good to go. So this here is the couch in question. Bit of a big one here, so this one was a mix. We got these dining chairs here. See, we got some issues on these, so we'll see how these clean up. And then we have these here, which we're going to actually have to foam clean here, or dry foam. You can see we got a lot of issues here, and these are cotton. And then up here we have the big daddy. So it is this whole thing. So this one here is going to take us a while. This one was the other one that is a blend. Should clean up really nice, but the chairs will be more of a challenge, but this one, it will take a little bit. We got some staining here on the top. This is the kids' couch. So, but yeah, this one is pretty big. Besides that, here we got a bedroom of carpet here. There was a few cat issues that we've already treated. It's actually pretty dirty. There was a rug here, as you can see how clean versus dirty. A few pea spots that we actually treated, and then are actually, this one was right here. It's actually pretty much gone. We used Sager's Odor Oxy on that one. Actually, on all of these we used that, and it's turned out pretty nice. Taking all that right out. We love our CRB pretty dang good without even cleaning anything. So all these chairs out here we are dry foaming, and they're actually turning out really good. These are some of the worst stained ones. Bill's over here working on this one here. Turning out good? Turning out great. Turning out great. So I got 5 done, a couple more to go. Oh yeah, did I mention we're also doing the mattresses? So yeah, this is quite the job today. We're probably gonna be here all day. We got all 3 of us out here working today, considering we're doing basically all the mattresses in the house, all the carpets, all the tile, and pretty much 90% of the furniture, so. All right, little update on the couch here. It's all done, everything looks great, so we just we're flipping the cushions here. Let me turn these fans off here, boom. Boom, take this down. Kind of unwrinkle this here. And yeah, wow. Looks really nice, smells really nice. He'll be pretty happy. So I'm just gonna rearrange these cushions, make it look all nice. And honestly, it's fairly dry. So that's usually how we like to leave it. We usually like to leave it as dry as possible. Leave some fans on it for a while. So, all right, turned out nice.
A few moments later.
Well, unfortunately, the GoPro battery's about to die, but yay. Well, everybody, it is pouring rain outside. I am sorry, this video has gone astray. The GoPro died kind of midway through the last job there. But hey, it turned out really good. We went and did a small job after that, and now it is monsooning. So unfortunately, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Sorry this one wasn't the greatest video, but what's up? Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Hit the like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.